Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Claude AI session expired error. If you're seeing a session expired message while trying to use Claude AI, don't worry. This issue is often related to either a weak internet connection or old browser data that needs to be cleared. In this walkthrough, we'll go through both of those checks in a simple and practical way. First, open your browser. This is where we'll test your connection and adjust the settings needed to help resolve the error. Once your browser is open, check your internet speed using a speed test website. A slow or unstable connection can sometimes interrupt your session and cause login or refresh problems. After opening the speed test page, go ahead and run the sample speed test. Give it a few moments to complete and take note of whether your connection appears stable. If the speed is unusually low or inconsistent, that may be part of the problem. If your internet seems fine and the error is still happening, there's another common fix you can try directly in the browser settings. Click the three-dot menu at the top right corner of your browser window. This will open the main browser menu where you can access more advanced options. From there, click on Settings. In the Settings page, look to the left-hand navigation menu and select Security, AMPI, and Privacy. This section controls your browser's stored data, including files and cookies that may sometimes interfere with websites or web apps like Claude AI. Next, click on the option to delete browsing data. When the clear browsing window appears, choose the time range labeled All Time. This makes sure the browser removes older stored data completely, rather than only deleting recent activity. This can be especially helpful if the session issue has been happening for a while. After selecting All Time, click Delete to confirm. The browser may take a moment to clear the data, depending on how much information is stored. Once that's finished, the outdated session files and cached data that may have been causing the issue should be removed. At this point, you can return to Claude AI and try again. Clearing browsing data often helps refresh the connection between your browser and the website, especially when expired or corrupted session information is involved. That's it for this guide. By checking your internet speed first and then clearing browsing data if needed, you can often fix the Claude AI session expired error quickly and get back to using the platform smoothly.